Okay guys, I don't know how bad this thing's gonna be, but I gotta take it out so I could put that hose, the black hose on the other side. Yep. It's clean. It's not dirty. Okay, so there wasn't not a lot of water coming there, so not too bad. So now I'm gonna put this hose in the other side, push it way back there, and believe it or not, I don't have to do nothing else. And put this thing back over here. So hopefully it don't leak now. For my luck, you know. Got, you know. For my luck, it might leak now. Don't leak before. You heard that before? Anyway, so I'm gonna type this thing down over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push this thing up, and then I'm gonna put a clamp over here. I'm gonna put a clamp over here so this thing stay up like that. Instead of water run down straight down to the dishwasher. Okay, so let me go get a clamp. See what we're gonna do, we're gonna make that loop up instead of down, so it go up like a trap there. So once this thing fill a little bit with water, it doesn't go right there. So let me get my stuff, my drill, couple of screws, and it should be fine. Do the trick, you know. So we try again. If we have some problem, we gotta figure out something else. So she needs this to go up. So I'm gonna put it right over here. Okay. Ooh. Huh? Maybe I don't want to go that tight. Really want to go that tight? I don't know, but let's see. So now, guys, this thing is up now. That's where it's gonna be. It's gotta go up before. That thing is tight there. It's gonna stay there like that. For you see now that thing's going. See, it's a big loop trap that I did over here. So if water goes up, believe me, the water's not gonna go up like before. It was gonna go straight down to the dishwasher. So we're gonna have a review over here, a little bit close up. So this is where this hose over here is where the dishwasher pump the water out. Okay, so now see I did that trap there, so the hose goes up and go in between the sink there, and then it goes down, see, to the washing machine. So, see, before it used to go straight down. inside the washing machine with no loop, no trap, nothing. So I think that's the problem she was having. The water was backing off back to the dishwasher. And then looking over here, I'm gonna have to fix this over here because they put these holes over here. I mean, this wire for the motor, see, right in the middle. That's a switch. So instead of running nice and neat. So that's it, guys. I put this thing. I gotta tighten this thing a little bit more. The truck there, I gotta tighten that thing, and I'll be all set. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.